Our legal contract generator utilizes a multi-tiered logic system that checks for specific provincial laws to make sure your agreements are fully enforceable in every single Canadian courtroom. It automatically adjusts clauses for Ontario labor standards versus British Columbia regulations, which is critical for business owners who are currently scaling their operations across the entire country. By using conditional statements in our Python script, we can generate customized, non-disclosure agreements and employment contracts that protect your valuable intellectual property and company secrets. This reduces your dependency on expensive legal firms for standard document creation and allows you to move much faster when hiring new talented staff for your tech startup. We will walk through the template engine today to show you exactly how to modify these legal files for your own specific business needs and long-term professional goals. No technical system is ever perfect at first, which is why we must master the art of debugging our Python scripts to handle unexpected errors and edge cases gracefully. We use try-except blocks to catch API timeouts and network failures, ensuring that your business automation stays online even when the external internet services are temporarily unavailable. Optimizing your code for speed and memory usage is essential when running multiple heavy automation tasks on a single machine or a small virtual private server in the cloud. We also discuss logging strategies to track performance over time so you can identify which scripts are saving you the most money and time every single business day. Good coding practices are the difference between a broken tool and a highly profitable digital asset that works for you while you sleep peacefully during the cold Canadian winter. Now we will shift our focus to the bulk content script, which uses complex nested loops to slice one single long video into 30 viral social media clips very quickly. This automation leverages the MoviePy library to detect the highest energy moments in your footage by analyzing the audio frequency and visual motion levels throughout the entire file. It automatically generates matching subtitles and places them in the safe zone for Instagram and TikTok, ensuring your Canadian audience can read every word without any annoying obstructions. This process saves you from spending thousands of dollars on video editors and gives you total creative control over your personal brand growth in the very competitive tech niche. We will now examine the metadata tagging system that helps your content rank higher in the Canadian search results for popular topics like career advice and business automation.